Hello guys, welcome back to the fifth video of the Python series. So in last video we have learned about how to take input from the user and display output properly. And in this video we are gonna see and do some exercises to learn more about it. Okay, so we are gonna do some questions in this video. So first question is, we are supposed to type welcome and then the username should be printed. For example, if I'll just show you. Let's say user typed his name ABC, so it should be welcome or whatever you want to write ABC like this. So how can we do it? You will write a program for that. So pause the video, write it yourself, and if you don't have any idea, it's okay. You can wait and watch. So first of all, we will have to take a input variable, and we can say enter your name, and just then we can say welcome and then name. And before that I will just comment the other code out, and yeah, now let's say I said Ritik, so it's showing Ritik, and we forgot the comma, and now it's fixed too. And here's our answer. Okay, so now let's move to the next question, which is the second one. What will be the output of this code? So pause the video again and comment the code if what will be the output of this code. So it's taking user input and printing type. Okay, so according to me the output will be string. Now let's check test. Yeah, it's string. Okay, now let's move to the third question, which is take a number from the user and add 10 to it. Okay, this is very simple. We can take a number. We here take input, enter any number. Okay, I'm forgetting something, and that is type conversion, and then we print num plus 10, and if we try it and I type 50, it will be 60. Okay, so let's move on to the third question, which is take a number from the user and add 10 to it. So in this program, if the users inputs 10, it should print 20, and if users inputs 20, it should be 30. So pause the video here again and try it yourself, and if you get the right answer, do comment below that I got the third question right, or third question cleared, or anything you want. Okay, so now let's first of all take input, first type conversion, then input, then enter number and space, then we can just to print num plus 10. And now if the users enter 10, it's 20. Okay, so we got it right. Let's comment it out again. And the fourth question is, what will be the output? So guess the output. Okay, it's taking user input in both these variable and then it's printing it. So according to you, what will be the output? Do comment below, and let's try it running it. According to me, if I enter 5 in both, it will be 55. Yeah. Now if you know the reason why it printed 55, do comment below again, or I will explain it to you guys. So it printed 55 because both of these variables were outputting a string value. It don't have the integer conversion type. Okay, so let's just comment it out or just clear the above code. Okay, fix the error in the following code. Okay, so let's check what's the error in this code. Okay, so it's an integer and this is a string, and we are trying to concatenate string and integer, which is not correct syntax in Python. If we try to do this, we'll get an error. So to fix this, we can use f-strings and just can convert this into like this. Okay, this doesn't work either way. We'll have to put this 2 in double quote, sorry. Now it's working. Okay, so another question is, it should print hello name, which we have already covered, so we know how to do this. You will be age +1. We already did this above, like we just added 10 to the user input. So pause the video again and try it yourself first, and if you can't figure it out, you can follow me along. First of all, we'll again take user input, enter your age, and we copy pasted the line, and we can take it as name, and then we can do print. I'm gonna use f-strings again because it's easier. Hello, and then name. You will be. Now you might think that how will I add one in it? It's simple like this. Okay, I didn't, yeah, it's fixed now. Next year. So let's try it again. Okay, so we did something wrong here. Okay, so we didn't convert it in on the age. Now 25. Ritik. Okay, hello Ritik, you will be 26 next year. Yeah. Okay, now let's move on to the next question and clear the above ones. Okay, this is the last question now. Predict the output without running. So what will be the output of this if user enters 5? What will be the output according to you guys? Do let me know in the comments. Okay, so X taking a user input, and try to guess it yourself by pausing the video and then watch the video ahead to see if you were correct or no. Okay, so according to me, if user types 5, this should give 55 and this should give 25. Now let's check. Oh sorry, this was 2, my bad. So yeah, it's giving 55 because it was a string. We never converted it into integer, and in y we converted x into int and stored it into y. So here y is an integer and x is in string, so it multiplied that string into 55 and multiplied that 5 to 10. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you got the all the questions right, do comment IO Master and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new to the video.